In the Microsoft SharePoint Syntex Content Center, you can view analytics on all the document understanding models that are published from it. This data can help you view model usage numbers and also give you an idea of how successful your models are in processing files. The total model percentage pie chart shows you the number of files being processed per model in comparison to other models. This chart also shows each model's completeness rate, which is the percentage of files that were successfully processed. Low values can indicate problems with the model's efficiency or with the uploading and analysis of files. The Files Processed Over Time bar chart shows you the number of files processed for each document library to which the model was applied. For example, this chart shows the Insurance Notices model being applied to 2 different document libraries and shows the number of files processed for each.